Did you know that one simple fruit can give you both long-lasting energy and quick fuel, depending on when you eat it? I'm talking about plantains, or saba as well call them in the Philippines. Let's break down the difference between green and ripe plantains, and why both can be great in your day. First, the green plantain, when it's unripe, it tastes more stretchy than sweet. If you boil it, it has a texture similar to potatoes. The best part, because it digests slowly, it can help you feel satisfied for longer and gives you steady fuel throughout the day. That's why many people enjoy green boiled plantains when they want something filling but not heavy like rice or bread. Now, let's move to the ripe plantain, the yellow one. Once it ripens, it turns sweeter, softer, and easier digest. That means it can give you a quick energy when you need it most. Ripe plantains are perfect if you're active, on the go, or just need a natural pick-me-up snack. Plus, they bring extra flavor and variety to your meals or snacks. So, which one should you choose? Honestly, both are great. Okay? Did you get my point? If you want slow, steady energy, go for boiled green plantains. Get it? So, if you want fast, natural fuel, grab a ripe plantain. Clear? So, you can even combine them depending on your schedule and your needs for the day. That's great. So, and that's the simple power of plantains. Green for lasting fuel, yellow for quick energy, natural, affordable, and versatile. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more food tips and everyday health tips.